Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be doing my empties video. I believe I haven't done this since my first empties video, which was last year, which is kind of insane, but I am very excited because I have one massive bag and one medium-sized bag full of empties. I literally had this sitting around for a while. This is definitely not everything that I have used within the past year, but it is definitely things that I have used within the past couple months. So ever since I knew and decided I was going to get back into YouTube and like things of that nature, I just decided to start saving everything that I was using because I love watching empties videos and just like watching people review products, and that's something that you've used up, you know, so you know if you like it or not, and if you like it, to know if you repurchase it, and if you don't, like, why would you not repurchase it. So those are two main reasons that I really like to watch empties videos, and in general I really love to watch YouTube. So I just like to watch everything under the moon and the sun in the YouTube world, so it's just something really fun and really intriguing to me. So let's just go ahead and begin with my empties video. So the first product I have is going to be this Original Sprout Tahitian hair oil. So it says it's non-greasy, but it says that it's for your hair and for your skin. So this is something that I would spritz maybe once or twice when I got out, not right when I got out of the shower, but a couple days later, because you know I do take a shower like once or twice a week, twice at most. So I would usually come out of the shower, spray my It's a 10 Miracle products, which I don't have any empties of because I'm not done with them yet. But yes, I would spray that, and then maybe after the third day or so, I would add this. I did notice a little bit of, like, I wouldn't say like oiliness, but it did weigh my hair a little bit down. So the days that I would start wearing my hair in ponytails and stuff like that, or like in buns, I would add this just to give it an extra moisture, but I wouldn't add it like the first couple of days that I had it clean because I didn't want it to weigh down my clean, fresh hair, you know? I have tried better hair oils and like treatments, so I would say this is not a repurchase, but I do have another bottle already started because my mom bought a pack of 2 of these. So we're gonna use that one, and then after that I'll probably tell my mom not to repurchase these anymore and just purchase the other ones that we're using, which are the Garnier and the Pantene. We are like halfway done with each bottle, so that's probably going to take another 6 months or so. I'll let you guys know how that's working out for me, but so far it's working pretty well for me. The second thing I have, which if you watched my tutorial with the Jaclyn Hill tutorial, it's already up, I'll link it down below. You would have known that I am done with this e.l.f. Mineral Mist. This is something that is amazing for primer. This leaves your skin, well, it leaves my skin, and it should leave your skin, pretty tacky, and when you spray it on, it just leaves your skin ready for foundation, ready for the products that you're going to lay on it, and making sure that it's going to stick and adhere to the skin. It doesn't make me look oily or doesn't add any extra oil. So it has rosemary, witch hazel, honeysuckle, and vitamin B, along with a couple other ingredients. So it is a very good setting spray or a base spray. I use it as both. I find it works better as a base spray, but I definitely have another backup of this. This is only $2 to $3 from e.l.f. and it is honestly a really good mineral spray and a setting spray, whatever you would like to use it as. So next I have this Neutrogena makeup remover, and there's only 7 of these in here, and I mean it was pretty good. This is like a travel size kind of, but I just bought it and it was really good. It was gentle, it was soft, and it did take off all my makeup, which is exactly what I want. It didn't really leave any residue, so that got an A+ for me, and I really did like it. Okay, so next I have a mascara. This is one that I have talked about many times on my channel, and this is the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara from the Estee Lauder, Estee Edit little line that they had. I already repurchased a second one of these. This is really good. It does lengthen my short lashes that I really don't have, and I'm trying to grow out with castor oil. I will have a video on that if you guys would want. Just let me know down below telling me that you would want to see that video, and I will gladly put it up for you guys. I kind of have seen a difference with the length of my lashes, and I do run it through my eyebrows here and there every night, so it's really good and really helping me. But yes, this is a really good mascara. I've mentioned it numerous times on my channel, and I really do think that it lengthens and it separates each lash. So I'm really grateful for this mascara, and that this is a definite repurchase for me. Like I already said, I already repurchased it, so it's really good. Okay, so a mascara that wasn't so good and really didn't do much for me is gonna be this Wet n Wild Mega Value mascara. This mascara comes in a yellow tube. It says that it's going to obviously volumize your lashes, but I really don't think that it did much for my lashes. It really just added a coat of black. It didn't even separate my lashes or lengthen them a little bit. So I really pretty much used it as like my first layer, and then I would go in with a mascara, like let's just say the Estee Lauder, that actually did something for my lashes and just give it more of that like gradual effect that I really want and everybody wants in their mascara, because who wants a mascara that's not really going to benefit or do anything for you? So yeah, that was not a repurchase at all. And I mean, if you like it, or I mean if you like any of these products, don't stop using them just because they didn't work out for me. Just because they didn't work out for me really truly does not mean that they're not going to work out for you. And if you have already long lashes and this really just all you need is a black coat, this will work out perfectly for you. Okay, well I guess I'll show these together because they're kind of the same thing. So the two things that I have is falafel. I'm not exactly sure what this is called, but it's like a body scrub, and you add your stuff to it. As you can see, mine is pretty used up and torn, and I've used this for 3 months. Usually I use my things for these kind of things like for 3 months, and then I automatically throw them out. And the reason I do that is because these get dirty, and you want to make sure that you are constantly, sorry if you hear that, the heat just went on, but the reason that I do that is because you want to make sure that you are constantly taking out and throwing away the old ones, because there's bacteria left in them and you don't want to be just spreading that around your body, you know. So you just always got to keep it fresh, keep your hygiene fresh, and continually change your products. So this for me is a must because I take a shower with these every day. I already have one that's been sitting in my shower for like 2 weeks now. So yeah, this for me is always a must because that is how I wash my body. Something else for my body, which I didn't really wash my body with, but I exfoliated my body with. I got this from Marshall's, and it's like a mitten, and you literally like, it has your thing in here, you put your hand in there, and you literally like exfoliate your body. This was a little harsh. I don't know how to describe this material, but it is like, I wouldn't say it's like hay, but it feels like rough. So you can feel it like scrubbing away, and that's like the point of exfoliating, is to scrub away your dead skin. But this was a little bit harsh, and I found that it kind of smelled after a little bit. Like even though I would clean it and I would make sure that it was clean, like I don't know if it was because it was left damp, but you're supposed to use this like wet, you know? So I'm not sure if it's because of that, but this did smell a little bit over time, which is something that I really didn't like so much. So I don't know how much I would recommend this. Maybe there's like other things. I know there's for sure other things, but I haven't really tried them. But this is probably not a repurchase for me just because it did hurt as I scrubbed away on my body, and then second of all, it did kind of smell over time, which I did not appreciate. So I'll stick with my regular little body scrubber, and I'll probably find another alternative to this. Okay, so next I have this shampoo, and it's a shampoo and conditioner. It's a 2-in-1. This is from Pantene. I always use conditioner separate on my hair, so I just bought this bottle, and because it's shampoo and conditioner, I would use it twice. I would rinse out my hair twice, and then I would add conditioner. This is a pretty good basic shampoo in my opinion. So if I would repurchase, so like would I repurchase? Yeah. There was nothing wrong with it. It left my hair clean, and I mean, like I said, I wash my hair 1 to 2 times a week. So even then it left my hair clean, which I really do appreciate. So this gets an A+ for me. Okay, next I have something which isn't like beauty, but it's more hygiene. I have 4 I have 4 of these toothpaste. My favorite is the Crest 3D White. Although I have heard that this does somehow stain your teeth. I have to look more into it. And I do have an appointment. If you guys don't know, I do have an appointment for my teeth whitening stuff. So I want to see how that's going to work out. That's for next month. So I'm very excited about that. But these are supposed to whiten your teeth. But I don't know. I heard something about them staining your teeth. So if you guys know something about that, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so I'm a little bit iffy about that, but I do like the way that it's been working for me so far, so I'm going to continue to repurchase. Okay, so next I don't have 1, I don't have 2, but I have 4 body soaps. The ones that I have most of is Irish Spring. This smells really, really good and really, really fresh. Nothing really bad I could say about it. And the next one I have is a Caress Daily Soap one. I like this one better just because it leaves your body a little bit more hydrated. So although I have much more of these, I prefer these. So that's my opinion on my body soaps. Okay, and then for dry shampoo, because you know a girl who doesn't shower every day needs that in her life, I have the Beauties dry shampoo in Tropical, and then I have the Beauties dry shampoo in dark and deep brown. Out of these two, I have used these bottles many times, but I discovered the Tropical and I so much prefer the Tropical. If I had a bigger size of this, I would definitely use it up. I am definitely going to be purchasing the bigger size of these because I do appreciate not only the scents but the way that it leaves my hair so much more than this one. So if it was between these two, I would definitely go with the Beauties Tropical dry shampoo, even if you have dark hair like I do, because usually for dark haired girls they recommend this one so it blends into your hair more. But I don't know, I just kind of thought this one left my hair nasty at times, so this one did leave my hair much more fresh, I felt. So I really appreciated that. I'm trying to go fast because my camera is dying. But I have this Nivea Smooth Moisture Body Lotion. I've talked about this before on my channel. I love this body lotion. I have another one started up along with a different brand that it's like halfway done already, so I should be having that in my next one. But yes, this is my favorite body lotion, and I use this on my face sometimes. I know it is scented a little bit, but it's ever so slightly scented and it's so fresh and so good. So I really love this body lotion. Okay, for the face lotion, I have the Caudalie moisturizing sorbet, and I literally cut it open to get everything out. This is really good, really moisturizing, it smells good. I love this. If I can get the full size, I would, and I mean I probably will in the future, but I just have a couple of lotions that I'm trying to get through right now, so there's no point for me to try to buy more lotions at the moment. I really like this Caudalie moisturizing sorbet very much, and I just think that it leaves my skin feeling so soft. Okay, I have this candle from, I don't know where this candle is from, but it's really big. I used it all up. It smells really good. I do have a candle right here. It's not lit up right now, but it was lit up in my last video. I love candles. I love the scents that come off of them, and if the Bath and Body Works are my favorite, but this did the job and it made the room really smell good. So I really did appreciate this candle, and I would repurchase this. Okay, so I had the blender, the Beauty Blender cleanser, the little solid, which is like what you clean your beauty blender and you can clean your brushes with. I really did like this. It was a little mini size. I have another one somewhere, but I really did like it. I probably wouldn't purchase it because it's so expensive. Even the regular full-size one is so expensive that I can just buy like a regular soap bar and clean all my brushes and all my beauty blenders, and that's how I usually clean them anyway, so I wouldn't spend all that money on that bar of soap. Even though it did leave my brushes soft and it did leave them good, it gives me the same outcome as if I were to get my own bar of soap and just clean it with that, do you know? So I really wouldn't repurchase that. If it was a gift or something from Sephora, I would definitely use it up, but other than that, I probably wouldn't repurchase. So next I had this Soothe and Cool Fresh shampoo and body wash. I did not use this as shampoo, but I used it as body wash. I really did like it. It smelled good. It smells like cucumber a little bit, which I don't mind. So I really did like it, and it was a small bottle. I kind of got through it pretty fast, but I mean, that's pretty good for me that I got through it fast. Next, I have one of these NYX HD banana setting powders. I freaking love this powder like so much. This is like one of the best, cheapest powders that you can get your hands on. And I really recommend it 110% for anybody who is looking for a really good, cheap banana powder. It even is a dupe, in my eyes, of the Kat Von D Banana Shade and Light powder. I will probably leave it here. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys can see me and hear me very well. I switched my camera because my other one died, so I don't think this one has much life either, so I'm going to go a little bit quicker than what I was going because I do have a lot of products. I'm so sorry. So if, again, you saw my video of the Jaclyn Hill tutorial, you would have seen this MAC Pro Longwear lip glass, sorry, and this is the shade Ready or Naughty. I love, love, love this gloss. It's a really, really sheer gloss, but it's really glossy and it comes off pink, so I really like that because it does complement my skin tone very well. And yeah, so that is something that I would repurchase. I'm not sure if MAC still carries that shade, but if they do, I will definitely repurchase that without a doubt. And then the last two things I have are facial cleansers. I have one from Neutrogena, and this is the Ultra Gentle Daily Moisturizer. And I have the Morning Burst from Clean and Clear. And I really love these two products. If I were to choose one, I would choose the Ultra Gentle Neutrogena one. I have another bottle of this already started, and I really, really love this one, just the way it leaves my skin feeling. It doesn't strip it so much, and I can wash my face every day with this. This one, obviously it's meant for more the morning because it says Morning Burst, and it has a little bit of like beads in there to exfoliate your skin, which I do really like. And so it's really, really good for exfoliating, so I don't use this every day. I use it maybe once or twice a week, but this is a little travel size, so I kind of got through it a little bit quicker. But yeah, out of these two, I really love this one, but I would repurchase both because this one's more of an exfoliating, this one's more of a daily cleanse. So I really do love both of these, and I already have one of these in my bathroom that I use daily. So yeah, guys, that was my really big empties, and I hope to soon have another one because I am already starting to build up a little bit of products, which I am happy about. So yeah, I will let you guys know the next time that I have an empties, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe, and if you made it through the end of this video, please put a heart in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!